Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a professional invoice in Excel in just 6 minutes. First of all, as you can see, I have opened Excel on my computer. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to the View tab and here change the page layout. Let's rename the page as Invoice. Now merge these cells and write here Invoice. And merge these cells as well and add your company's logo. For now, I'm just writing company's logo. Make the font size bigger and you can also change the font style. Make it bold. Okay, now here you can write your company's address, PO box, street address maybe, and other contact number like contact number or contact information like fax, etc. Write here bill to. Adjust the font size, make it bold, and add a bottom border. Below that, write the customer name or company's name, and then the address, company's address, PO box, street address, and contact information. And here write the invoice number, date, and due date. Let's say invoice number is 2345, date is 2 6 2024, and the due date is 10 6 2024. Perfect. Now here we will create main table. For the headings, write serial number, product description, quantity, unit price, and the total. Now select all these cells and add a background you like and make the font bold and a little bigger. Now select this area, these all cells, add all borders to give them a look of table. Merge these cells as well for product description. Okay, so now perfect. Now at the bottom of the table, write subtotal, VAT percent, 6%, discount 10%, and grand total. Adjust the font a bit and add the bottom borders here. Now come to the page footer and write here terms and conditions. And write here whatever the terms and conditions are. Let's say I write here the payment is due within 10 days. Now here write prepared by, merge these cells, and same here checked by, merge these cells, and now merge these cells and write received by as well. In the last cell you can add date and time. Okay, so now our invoice is almost ready. Now let's add some data into this. Numbers are 1, 3, and write here product name, product 1, product 2, and product 3. Quantity is 10, 20. This is 500, 600, 800. And now I can add here a formula to get the total. And the formula for that is equal to price multiply by the quantity. And drag this down. Okay, perfect. Now for this subtotal, we can write another formula or only hit Alt plus is equal to and press enter and we got the total. To calculate the VAT, which is 6% in this case, we can multiply the total by 6% and hit enter. And for the discount, add 10% instead of 6% and hit enter. For grand total, write is equal to subtotal plus VAT minus discount and hit enter. And there you got the grand total. And it's done now. We can add another product to see if formulas are working perfectly. Okay, so the formulas are working perfectly. Now we can see the preview that how it looks. Yeah, it's looking good. Your invoice is ready to print now. Alright, that was it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And I'll see you in my next video.